6 times parenthesis 4 minus 2 to the power of 2. First of all, we solve our parenthesis, which is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 will give us 2. Then we'll put it in our exponents. Then we have 6 times 2. 6 times 2 will give us 12. We have 12 to the power of 2. 12 to the power of 2 is 12 times 12. 12 times 12 will give us 144. 144 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction working from your left to your right. In order to arrive in a very correct answer, let's solve the right answer to this expression. First of all, we start with our parentheses, which is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 will give us 2. Then we have 2 exponents, which is 2 to the power of 2. Then we'll break down our 6. Then we have 6 times 2 to the power of 2. Here we have a multiplication and an exponent here. We work with our exponent first. This is where we got it wrong in the first place because we multiply first before solving our exponent, which is wrong. 2 to the power of 2 is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then we have 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.